amount of work that goes into this event is just extraordinary. We have a pyrotechnic crew of over 45 working for months leading up to the night. With over 1 billion people watching worldwide each year, this event contributes over $156 million to the local economy. We have over 11,000 shells, 25,000 shooting comets, and 60 kilometres of wire totaling 100,000 individual pyrotechnic effects. Combine this with the Harbour Bridge effect and you're in for a breathtaking experience. If you haven't realised what I'm going on about, it's the Sydney New Year's Eve fireworks.